Now in this one, we'll be creating our product list. The first thing that we need to do is go to Fauna dashboard, and over here under databases, select the product collection, and then we'll need to add a couple of product documents. So here you can see that I've added two courses over here, or two products over here. And after adding these products, the next thing that we need to do is go to our code, and over here we'll be first of all going to our Apollo client.ts file. In this, we have created a new function that's called fetch all products. So from top, if you see, we have our Fauna handler over here, and now we have included get all shops and get all products. So in our schema.graphql, we have this definition or query to get all the products from our FaunaDB collection. And that's what we have imported over here from schema.graphql. After that, we have created our function or method fetch all products, and within this we have our request created, and then when the data is retrieved or received, we are creating our product details from that collection, and we are just getting the desired ones like name, description, and price, and then we are returning it. Now over here we'll go to our Fauna handler, and here we are now checking for the collection name. So based on the collection name, whatever we are passing from our query, earlier we were hard coding it over here. Now we are just passing the collection name over here to the documents collection, and we are getting the desired result. And then we are parsing that result over here and sending it back to the client. Now in the index.tsx file, first of all, we have imported this component called product list. We have then created this constant product data, and using the use effect, we have called the fetch all products. We have passed the client ID and collection name. Note that the collection name over here is product, and this matches the name of the collection that we have in our FaunaDB. And after that, when the products are retrieved, we are setting it over here, and finally we're calling it over here, and then we are making use of the product list component. Now the product list component, if you explore it over here, has two things: the product item and then the product list. So here we are mapping it, and the key attribute, it's having an ID, so that every item that we are iterating has a unique key. And then we have the product over here. Now product item, as you can see, has a default image over here, and we have the name and price coming up over here, and then we have some styles defined, and finally we are exporting the product list. So now if I go ahead and execute our application, you can see that first we are getting the shop data, and then over here we are getting these two products, master Next.js and full stack development bundle. The prices are coming down below. In the next one, we'll see how we can update the product data model and upload some changes to Fauna.